Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on language and region, and as you can see here we've got the list of currently added languages, so let's tap on edit. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it, and let me pick Dutch, maybe. Just tap on this plus icon, and as you can see your device will ask you if you want to set Dutch, in my case, as a default system language. So let's tap on yes. And basically within a second the language will be changed. The Dutch language immediately appears at the top of this list. Here we've got also the English, and after getting back you can see that the Dutch is also set here. What is more, if we've got like 2 or 3 different languages added, we can simply reorder them in order to change the default language. So let me do it. Let me tap on the English, tap on it and hold it, and right now let me drag it to the first position. And your device will ask you if you want to change it, because it simply means that whichever language is on the first position, it will be set as a default. And as you can see, we've got English and the whole system will be in English. We can also remove the languages from this list. Whatever, just enter this edit mode and tap on this minus icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.